Hi, this is Les Per Year. I want to do a video today that addresses a certain problem that some people have had in making shorts on Imovie. Now I've got a video up here. David Rubinstein is playing, and just want to pull this down and just play a little bit of it here for you. You notice right here that there is a lot of text. So if I want to put that on a short, what's probably going to happen is the text is going to look a little weird. For example, let me show you here. I'm just going to go up here, crop to fill. This is how we normally would do a short on iMovie. And we turn it here, and we will line it up with David playing, and then that would be the dimensions of our short. But whenever we started here at the beginning, see, we can't get all of our text in. So that makes it look a little wonky, and we either have to start here, but the problem with that is that there is additional text that comes in. So I want to do something a little bit different. So I'm going to take that out. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and bring this video back down, and we're going to select it, and we're going to put it on fit, not crop to fill, but fit. And so now we turn that to the right. Now we have the whole video as a short. Let's just kind of play through it, and you can hear some really good music. Okay, you see something like that? So that play ball, normally in a regular kind of a short, is not going to look good on the screen. It's going to be displayed all over the screen. So, but like this, we can see the whole video. Okay, so that's how we do it. So now what we want to do is that we want to export it, and I'll just do this as Rubinstein, Stein, I'm sorry, David, if I've mispronounced your last name. So now we'll save it. Okay, so we've got it saved now, so we'll just go ahead and get out of this. And then we'll go over to our Rubinstein video, open up this menu and go down to quick look. And so we want to go up here to where it shows rotate left. Hit the option command and then rotate left. So now we have the whole video on there. Okay, so that's how it'll look. Just play it from the beginning a little bit just to show you. Okay, so that's how you put an entire video on a short without having to cut and paste and split and do all those kinds of things. So it may look a little different, a little weird, but still gets the entertainment value across well. And it's pretty quick and easy to do. Okay? I will see you next time.